Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the phone guys. So the upcoming Huawei P Smart 2020, some specs and design revealed. We have already heard it about the Huawei P Smart 2020 and it appears its launch is fast as approaching. But before we start this video guys, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for latest tech videos. This device, the Huawei P Smart 2020, is already listed on the website of Dutch online retailer, which bring us a bunch of images along with a detailed specification of the entry-level phone. The Huawei P Smart 2020 will sport a 6.21-inch LCD with an FHD plus resolution, a 2340 by 1080p pixel resolution, and a water drop notch on top for the 8 megapixel selfie camera. No punch hole, just a small notch. Around the backside we have a 13 megapixel main shooter paired with a 2 megapixel deep sensor and an LED flash. There is also a capacitive fingerprint reader. So the capacitive fingerprint reader on the back side, in the middle upper side, and just 2 camera on the back side. Under the hood, the hardware is the Huawei is expected to use the Kirin 710F chipset, which will allow the device to come with a Google mobile service. The P Smart 2020 will ship with a 4 gigs and 128 gigabytes of storage, which can be further expanded through a micro SD card slot. The battery is rated around 3400 mAh and charge over USB Type-C. Other notable features include a headphone jack, dual band Wi-Fi, and NFC connectivity. On the software front, we are expecting Android 9 Pie with EMUI 9.1 on the top. The Huawei P Smart 2020 will come in a green, black, and blue 3 colors with a starting price of a €200. The listing is also advertising a free 3-month trial for Huawei Music. The phone is expected to debut in Europe soon, but there are not any exact launch date detail for now. In 2019, we heard that Huawei P Smart Pro unveiled with a 48 megapixel main camera and 16 megapixel pop-up selfie camera. But this time Huawei launched their Huawei P Smart 2020 with just only 2 camera on the back side and 3400 mAh battery and USB Type-C and Android 9.0 and no Google service. So let me know in the comment section guys, are you buy this mid-range smartphone? No big premium device this time Huawei launched, because they already launched the Huawei P40 series. So let me know in the comment section, and also like this video and subscribe for more cool tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.